Hey there, Fit&Fab family. Did you know there's an age-old remedy for constipation that's been trusted for centuries? It's castor oil. In today's video, we're diving into everything you need to know about using castor oil to relieve constipation naturally and effectively. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's talk about what constipation actually is. Constipation can cause significant inconvenience and discomfort. It is typically defined as having infrequent or difficult-to-pass stools. Medically, having fewer than 3 bowel movements per week is considered constipation. Symptoms can include straining, hard, or lumpy stools, and a feeling that not all stool has passed. However, it's important to remember that everyone's bathroom habits are different, and what's normal can vary from person to person. Understanding these symptoms can help you determine whether you're experiencing constipation and need to take action. Some people have multiple bowel movements daily, while others may only have one every other day. If you notice a decrease in your usual pattern, it might be a sign of constipation. Thankfully, there are natural remedies, like castor oil, that can help. Castor oil is known for its strong laxative effects. Before we move forward, let's delve into what castor oil is and how it works. Castor oil is derived from the seeds of the castor plant, scientifically known as Ricinus communis. This oil boasts a rich history of use spanning centuries, renowned for its diverse health benefits, one of which is its effectiveness in relieving constipation. Castor oil contains compounds that act as natural laxatives, aiding in bowel movements and alleviating constipation discomfort. Now, let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of castor oil and its myriad uses. Let's talk more about castor oil. It's a thick, yellowish liquid with a strong smell. While it's mostly known as a laxative, it offers other health benefits too. Now, let's see how it helps with constipation. People have been using castor oil as a laxative for thousands of years. Scientists have found out that the main fatty acid in castor oil sticks to receptors on the smooth muscle cells in your intestines. These receptors are like locks, and when castor oil connects to them, it helps the muscles in your intestines move more, which can make it easier to have bowel movements. This is how castor oil works its magic against constipation. Resinolic acid, found in castor oil, stimulates muscles in the intestines and colon to contract, helping to push out stools when it connects to receptors. Studies show that castor oil can quickly and effectively relieve constipation. In a 2000 study of older adults with chronic constipation, using castor oil reduced constipation symptoms and the need to strain. Now, let's talk about how to use castor oil to relieve constipation. The most common way is to take it by mouth. Simply mix 1 or 2 tablespoons of castor oil with a glass of warm water or juice. This mixture can help get things moving in your digestive system. Keep in mind that castor oil has a strong taste, so you might want to mix it with honey or lemon juice to make it easier to swallow. It's best to drink this mixture on an empty stomach, ideally in the morning. Now, let's talk about safety. While most adults can use castor oil safely, it's crucial to use it correctly. If you're pregnant, a child, or have certain health conditions, it's essential to talk to your doctor before using castor oil. This ensures it's safe for you. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.